Hey guys, what is up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we will be cooking a really special Easter meal. Wait for it. A dishwasher rack of lamb. Yes, you heard right. We are going to cook this rack of lamb for 2 hours in a dishwasher. We will then sear it down. We will make a little sweet potato oven dish to go with the lamb. And then we will have a quick beer review at the end. So stay tuned. So the other end is sealed now. Alright, so here we got the vacuum bag. We will now put in the lamb. So this is how the lamb looks like. Put it in the bag. Now what I will do, I will store the marinade for a gravy. Now we go in with some more rosemary. And you can be generous with rosemary, it's good. Alright, now we are ready to vacuum seal this bad boy. And here we are. Alright, I went for the auto program today and hoping to get a good news story out of this. We'll see. And now while the rack of lamb is being washed, we can start preparing the sweet potato. So we'll first peel it, then we will cut it in cubes, apply some spices, and we put it in the oven 220 degrees for 30-40 minutes. So now we will make cubes out of this. So now when we have the sweet potato cubes, and now we take one of these Ziploc bags, we put all the spices in, the olive oil, the sweet potato goes in, we give it a good mix, and then we go in the oven with the sweet potatoes. And yeah, I almost forgot, put some honey in as well, or maple syrup. And then we are ready to go in the oven. Alright, our dishes as well as the rack of lamb is done. Check this out. It actually looks like sous vide meat. Let's check the internal temperature. Let's now pat it dry. Alright, so it's 46.3 throughout. After 15 minutes in oven, give the sweet potatoes a turn so they will cook evenly. And then back in the oven. Now in the meanwhile, I will prepare the gravy. I'm going totally freestyle here. I try a little bit new ingredients I've never tried before on a gravy. So I have the mint marinade here. Then, as long as we are dealing with mints, I decided to go for Minttuviina, which is like peppermint liquor here in Finland. Then I will go with 1 vegetable stock cube, a little bit of garlic, salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil and butter. So we first go in with the butter and then the garlic. And before the garlic starts burning, we go in with the rest of the marinade. Then we add a little bit of water as well. Then let's throw in only half of the veggie stock. Okay, now we need to take the sweet potatoes off the oven. Wow, the minty flavor and the smell coming up from that pan is just unbelievable. Now we want to go in with the peppermint liquor. It's 50% alcohol here, so it's pretty strong stuff. Okay, now our gravy and sauce is boiling, our sweet potatoes is ready. Now let's go and sear this thing. Okay, so the gravy and the sweet potatoes are ready. The lamb has been seared, so we are ready to cut. I think these lollipops looks perfect, really. Let's plate it up and then a real taste test. So we first go in with the sweet potato. Then the lamb. And finally the mint gravy. And look at this. Okay, let's first try the lamb. I can't believe this was in a dishwasher just 30 minutes ago. Okay guys, this is absolutely ridiculous. The lamb is cooked to perfection, really. It has got this really nice, strong lamb taste, as well as the mint sauce works just perfect. Let's also try the sweet potatoes. Yes, you can get the sweetness out of it, you can get the cinnamon coming, a little saltiness. You don't want to put too much salt on it. It's more like, yeah, it's sweet potato, so go for sweet. Really nice. So guys, if you don't have sous vide equipment, don't worry about it. You maybe have a dishwasher that will do the job perfectly, as you saw here. Alright, the meal was so good, so let's complement it with one beer. And this beer is of course from Pien, the #1 beer shop here in Finland. We got Cloudwater Pale Ale. It has got mango, pineapple, tangerine, light lasting malt character. Supposed to be fresh. We got 4% alcohol here. Let's try. Very beautiful color on this beer. The smell is amazingly fresh. Really nice. You can actually taste the mango a little bit, the pineapple, just a hint of pineapple. Very nice, light-ish beer. Well done. I would totally buy this again. Good stuff. Alright guys, this is it for today. It was lots of fun washing dishes today. We got a great meal out of the dishwasher. Didn't see that coming really. But honestly, if you haven't tried dishwashing cooking yet, give it a try. You would be surprised. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already. Anyway guys, have a good one. Cheers.